All right. Good morning, everybody. Pleasure to have you in the stream. And we have liftoff with cryptocurrencies. It's definitely really good to see Dogecoin, Bitcoin, a bunch of really good things this morning. And look at Bitcoin going straight up. If you guys would go ahead and smash the like button, get this stream out there. But just because of a few tweets by Elon Musk, the whole crypto market is up a lot. It's definitely good to see. How many of you all are happy to see cryptos going back up again? But the question is, how long is this going to last? How long is this going to last? Are we going to come back down? But yes, we did call this out before it happened. We speculated that cryptos would turn green maybe Monday morning, middle of the night type stuff. And it's pretty much happening exactly as we hoped, which is good. And we have Bitcoin nearly 41,000. We did actually hit a high of 41,000. So that's really good to see. You know, a lot of us are wondering, okay, so why isn't Dogecoin going up much at all? Dogecoin is still going up. So remember, we bottomed out a couple days ago, about 30 cents. And ever since we hit 30 cents, we are up now about 10%. Nothing crazy. But the reason why that is very simple. It's because the Bitcoin dominance is going higher. So we can take a look at that. Yeah, look at this. Bitcoin dominance is going higher. And we'll have to take a look at the altcoin season index. See where we are with that. So it seems like we're starting to come outside of the altcoin season index. We're starting to taper off. If you look at the top right of the whole main chart, you see that the altcoin season is kind of dwindling a little bit. And we still have, these are the top performance over the last 90 days. These cryptos here. And Dogecoin is number one. Dogecoin is number one. So it's definitely good to see that. On the top left, it says the altcoin month index. It lets us know if altcoins or Bitcoin is going to be outperforming and performing the best. And it's pretty strongly set on Bitcoin. So what we can expect in this time, we can expect Bitcoin to be going up and outperforming the altcoins. However, the altcoins will still go up. The altcoins will still go up, which is definitely good to have, and it's good to see. Let's take a look at some of these tweets by Elon Musk. On it. Oh, there's a lot of tweets that I missed that Elon said. But this was the really funny one that we had Anonymous. How he was replying to Anonymous. He says, Hannah Montana is actually Miley Cyrus. So that was funny to see that. And then we have this dentist one. He says, dentist fact. And we have like this car. I don't even, was that like in the bottom of the ocean or something? Can't really tell. Or it's like driving off a cliff. Dennis will show you clairvoyant footage of your own death if you ask nicely. And we have some other interesting ones. But the main one that really set it off. The main one that really set it off is someone called Elon Musk out for market manipulation and saying that he was the cause of all this market manipulation. And then he goes on, if you guys haven't already seen this, he's like, well, you're completely inaccurate. And then the main thing that he said is, you know, they were wondering if Bitcoin is going to be accepted by Tesla anymore in the future. And he said, once there's confirmation of less than 50% clean energy usage by miners with positive future trend, Tesla will resume allowing Bitcoin transactions. So that is what has really set the entire market off. And that's why Bitcoin is pumping and doing its thing. And ever since the bottom of 31,000, Bitcoin is approximately up about 32%, which is incredible to see. And that was not far ago. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum bottomed out. From the bottom, Ethereum is only up 11%. So here we have Bitcoin 3 times the performance in just the last couple of days, up 30%. That is a significant amount. But let's take a look and see how much further Bitcoin has to go to get back up to where we need to. Okay, so here's the most important thing that I'm just discovering as I'm looking at the chart right now. And we'll be taking a look at Dogecoin in just a moment. So this was the previous level of resistance. Like, we did not surpass this at all. We had difficulty. And this was 40,900. And we just surpassed that this morning. However, only the wick in the 4-hour. 30-minute. So the 30-minute, we're at that line right now. And we've gone outside of it. So it's definitely good to see. Is there inverse head and shoulders playing out? The inverse head and shoulders already played out. It's something that I called out in my previous videos. Just a few days ago around this time. Around June 8th, if you look at my videos around that time. We called out an inverse head and shoulders, which it definitely formed is a very clear and obvious inverse head and shoulders, which is a reversal pattern. So whenever you see this, you will generally see a breakout or a trend reversal of the opposite trend. So this was a downtrend. You have the inverse head and shoulders, and then you have the reversal to the upside, which changes the trend from a downtrend to an uptrend. Take a look at some Solana. And a little bit of the red. Nothing crazy. We have Theta. Theta's up 14% today. We've mentioned that one to buy in some of the Patreon callouts the last couple days. We have GameStop definitely headed down. So Elon Musk actually liked a it was a tweet. I'm gonna have to actually find out. I'm gonna have to find where it is. But someone was like, you know, once AMC dies down, then all the money's gonna go back into the Dogecoin. And Elon Musk liked that tweet. He liked that reply. So that tweet actually helped out AMC a little bit. But what he's saying, and what a lot of people are speculating and saying, which is interesting, and yeah, we're going to take a look at some other cryptos, is that AMC, there's a lot of attention in AMC right now, and that once it dies down, all of this attention is going to go back into Dogecoin. What do you guys think about that? Do you guys think that that's kind of why like Dogecoin is not really doing that well right now, because all the excitement kind of died down and went over to AMC? I certainly think that that's a possibility. And this is interesting. Just looking at the AMC chart, we're getting a double bottom formation. But the highs are actually getting lower. The highs are getting lower. So that could actually be bearish. That could be bearish here. We are definitely seeing these lower highs. So that could certainly be a sign that the bears are starting to gain traction and gain control over the bulls. So AMC, in order to break out of this pattern, out of this bearish pattern, has to break this level of resistance right here. AMC has to break that level of resistance. So if AMC does come up and test this level of resistance and gets rejected, it'll most likely start heading down. It'll head down to this level of support, and it might bounce off of it, as we're historically seeing a lot of touches on this level of support. But generally, when you see a lot of touches on a level of support and the highs are getting lower, generally that is a very bearish signal, and it'll probably break down below it. And then I'll have to head down to further levels. It's interesting to see AMC $60. So that certainly brings up their market cap. The market cap should be about 25 to 30 billion. And the market cap of Dogecoin should be in like 43 billion right now. We can take a look at the coin market cap. So Dogecoin is the number 6 cryptocurrency in the entire world, having a market cap of $43 billion. Cardano, the number 5 spot with 50 billion. And if we take a look at the top 10 cryptos, Dogecoin is the underperformed one here, other than the USD coin. I've never even really noticed that there. Dogecoin is only up 6% in the last 24 hours and down 8.9% in the last 7 days. If we click on Dogecoin, let's see the trading volume. The trading volume is up 72%. So that is definitely good to see. And we'll go ahead and do some technical analysis on Dogecoin real quick. So with Dogecoin, we clearly are seeing actually a bit of a inverse head and shoulders. Here's the head and shoulders. And this would approximately be our neckline, which we are basically approaching to break. But in more depth, we have a level of resistance here. Now we have further levels of resistance. And if we look at the chart, this was a level of resistance and this is a level of resistance. We had a wick coming all the way out here. So we definitely had some difficulty trying to surpass this 33-cent level. We'll take a look at Shiba Inu in a little bit as well. If you guys would go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, give this live stream a thumbs up if you appreciate Dogecoin. If you love cryptocurrencies, you want to see the continuance of this bull run. Now watch, there's gonna start to come out a lot of really good news for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. As you know, the whole sentiment for like a whole month was fake fear, false news. Bitcoin's over with. Bitcoin's going to 10,000. Bitcoin's having a death cross. If this happens, it's going to bring Dogecoin to 10 cents. Dogecoin's going to 1 cent. And I was laughing at those people the whole time. When people would ask me, what about Bitcoin's death cross? I would pretty much just laugh at them. All right, so this is the pattern that we're in. We're at 32 cents. The next level of resistance is going to be 33 cents, which we just about came up to this morning. But we're going to have to break that. But Bitcoin is not really stopping. So what are the next levels for Bitcoin? And this is certainly going to determine what is going to happen with Dogecoin. So we're at resistance right now. So Bitcoin needs to break 41,000. It needs to come up outside of it, start heading up to further levels. And then we have to break about 43. I think we're going to come up to about 44,000. And then maybe start to turn down a little bit, consolidate, and then start bouncing up. Which Ethereum should start coming along with it. Ethereum certainly is carried by Bitcoin. Whenever Bitcoin and Ethereum, they pretty much go up together. And then they will carry the altcoins with it. So the good altcoins, the strong altcoins will go up strong too. So Dogecoin is going up, and that's all we need to know. And look at this. Dogecoin is certainly in an uptrend. But we need to break this 34-cent level of resistance to confirm the uptrend. Because I've been telling you guys for a while. Oh, let me zoom out here. Wondering why it didn't look that good. Dogecoin is in an uptrend, and look at this. I told you guys that the lows are going to continue to get higher if we are in an uptrend, and the lows are certainly getting higher. But what about the highs? If you guys want to get my daily trade alerts when I'm buying and selling cryptocurrencies, make sure you join that Patreon right there, where we can help to build you a portfolio. This is certainly a good time to do it before the market really takes off. You want to be set up in the best cryptos so that you can maximize your profitability and the potential with that. I also teach technical analysis. We do offer lessons and courses. And you can join the 4,000 member Discord in it. And if you guys want a really good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, join my WEBULL link in the description below. They're offering 3 to 4 stocks worth up to $4,000, which all you have to do is deposit $100, and they'll give you those stocks immediately, which you can just sell and buy Dogecoin or cryptocurrencies with their stocks like AMC. It's free money, and you can just send it back to your bank account. I definitely recommend checking it out. So Dogecoin has certainly a strong level of resistance that we're going to have to break, but I don't think it's going to take that long to get up there. So we're seeing the clear uptrend. But we have to break this level of resistance to really confirm a strong uptrend. Even if we don't have higher highs, but the lows continue to get higher, that is also a very bullish pattern that would be playing out. So all Dogecoin needs is a couple of tweets from Elon Musk, and it will bring the Dogecoin community back. It'll bring money back into Dogecoin. So we just have to remember that all Elon Musk needs to do is send a couple of tweets about Dogecoin, which after him sending like 10 tweets yesterday, he hasn't really said anything about cryptocurrencies except Bitcoin. And that's pretty much brought the entire market up. You know, Elon Musk's tweet did crash the entire market. This is evidence and proof. The market is up because he said something that they're going to accept Bitcoin. That's crazy. So let us speculate and see what would happen. So here we have this inverse head and shoulders playing out on the 4 hour, and it's about to play out, which means we could have a pretty significant pump here. And what would be the length of that pump? The length of the pump is generally measured from the neckline to the top of the head. So let's give it this area. So this pump, this could bring us to 47. If we want to be more conservative, it could certainly bring us to like 45,000. Bitcoin could certainly hit about 45,000 in this bull run right here, and this little run up right here. Because what's going to happen is if Bitcoin continues to go up, it's going to cause a bit of a chain reaction. It's going to cause FOMO, and it might be causing a short squeeze. That's why it's like going up so strong. There was a lot of people shorting Bitcoin. So we can look at the long to short ratio in Bitcoin. So there's a lot of shorts in Bitcoin right now. The 1 hour, it's pretty even. There's more longs on the longer time frames. 4 hour and 12 hour. Take a look at Dogecoin. There's a lot of people shorting these cryptos right now. Take a look at Ethereum. Seems like the longs are starting to head up for Ethereum. So that's definitely interesting to see. And somebody said Elon Musk tweets don't work anymore. Elon Musk tweets have brought Bitcoin up from 30,000 to about 41,000 where we're at right now. And it's caused all of this money to come into the market. So it's caused a 15% increase in the entire crypto market in less than 24 hours since his tweet. So the total crypto market cap is $1.74 trillion. And Bitcoin is 762 billion right now. So it'll definitely be good to see Bitcoin get up to $1 trillion, which will be approximately like 53 billion or $53,000 per coin. That'll certainly bring up the price of the market cap of Bitcoin. Look at Polygon, up 20% in the last 24 hours. Chainlink up 18%. Litecoin has been doing really good. Ethereum Classic up 10%. Pancake Swap up 15%. AMP is up 18% today. AMP is up 18%. That's awesome, man. And 42.97% in a week. Shiba Inu is up 15.47%. Take a look at Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu is definitely down here pretty significantly. So Shiba Inu has a good bit to go before it can confirm an uptrend. We're looking at like 89% just to kind of get back to a bit of an uptrend to break any of these levels of resistance. That's a lot of work, but Shiba Inu could definitely do it. Shiba Inu can definitely pop off. AMC is going up. It's continuing to go up right now as we speak. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This is just all my opinion. You all need to do your own research and never invest what you can't afford to lose. GameStop continually going down. Look at Matic. Matic really popped off here just this morning. And we've been buying Matic in the Patreon for a while now. We put out a trade alert Saturday night. It was Saturday night, or it was like Friday in the middle of the night. A lot of us jumped in Matic. And a lot of us in the Patreon, we got in Matic like 2 weeks ago at around 70 cents. And it went directly up to $2.50. That was pretty cool. So here we have Bitcoin again. Might be forming another bullish flag. You guys should definitely follow my Instagram and Twitter as well. I do post charts on Twitter and information on Instagram as well. See if I can find it. So last night when Bitcoin was about to break out, I called out a bullish flag. And I said, look, Bitcoin's forming a bullish flag. Most likely will break out. So that's exactly what happened. Formed the bullish flag, and we broke out at the bottom of it. It's nice to see. So Bitcoin might be doing the same thing. Especially if Bitcoin can kind of keep it pretty tight in this area, a consolidation period. We'll get another breakout most likely. It's a very bullish pattern. And I'm thinking Dogecoin can pop off here any second. I'm thinking Dogecoin, look at this. Dogecoin is forming that bullish flag. So look, every time it drops, they buy it right back up. So what that shows is that the people love buying at this price because they think it's going to go up. So the buyers and the bulls, they're buying any of these little drops, and the drops are getting smaller. So this is our level of resistance. We'll probably come up here, break out here, or we might come up here and drop down a little bit lower, 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 and then break out. Where do I see Dogecoin a year from now? Dogecoin will probably be thinking $3. That's if cryptos continue to do what they're supposed to do. If Bitcoin hits 200,000 by the end of the year, 200,000 or 300,000, that'll certainly bring up Dogecoin significantly. And all the other cryptos. So maybe like 5 or 10x by the end of the year. By the end of this year, we could see cryptos. What do you guys think? What is your price predictions in a year from now, Dogecoin? Some people are saying 5x, $2 or $3. $3 easy when Tesla accepts Dogecoin. $1.87. You can sign up for my class in the Patreon right there. Just posted that link. Does anybody have the link for the tweet that Elon liked about AMC and Dogecoin? Yeah, Dogecoin is extremely cheap from where it was. I think a single tweet could bring Dogecoin up to 40 cents and beyond. What do you guys think? Dogecoin just needs a good tweet, which could happen any second now. And Dogecoin's not the only one that's, not really going crazy. Look at Cardano. Cardano is up a little bit. Cryptos are moving together. And this is the crypto market cap. It's good to see that. Market cipher A. Do some further technical analysis. Look at Dogecoin. So we're getting a buy signal on the 4-hour. It's a very strong momentum here. Looks like we're starting to get some money. Money flow is starting to head up into Dogecoin. What about Bitcoin though? Yeah, this is looking very bullish. Looking bullish all across the board. And that guy who's commenting is a scammer. My fake picture and everything. Yeah, YouTube doesn't do anything about these people. These people are scamming people every day for my channel alone. If you look at every finance channel, they have all these fake Instagrams. You know, they're getting all these people to invest. Go back to Dogecoin. And it actually might be good for Bitcoin to start heading down, and that'll bring the altcoins up. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart. Bitcoin dominance is still heading up. We're starting to see a little bit of regression. Yeah, Bitcoin dominance is definitely headed up. You guys should definitely consider getting into Bitcoin, especially once it dips down a little bit, because Bitcoin is going to be most likely outperforming these altcoins for a while here. Yeah, YouTube allows these scammers to, I don't know, it's crazy. They said they're working on it. Do I still think Dogecoin is going to the moon? Absolutely. Let's take a look at Matic. Let's see where Matic is headed. Look at Matic. Inverse head and shoulders. Perfect pattern playing out. This is really good to see. But it broke out. It definitely broke out. So it's looking good. Let's see what further levels that Matic has to discover. So we saw a very clear downtrend. Excuse me. We saw a very clear downtrend, but now we have to have a clear uptrend, bring us back up. So as we stair-stepped our way down, now we have to stair-step our way all the way back up. This includes all cryptos. But Matic is definitely one of the top performers this morning. Theta is doing very well too. Can I check VeChain? Absolutely. VeChain is doing very well. This is a crypto that we've put in the Patreon with a buy signal. We've been buying VeChain very cheap, and we're definitely pretty up in it. We bought VeChain, 6 cents and so forth, 5 cents as well, and the other day I think around 10 cents. Definitely a good crypto to hold on to. So Bitcoin dominance has a strong level of support, or excuse me, resistance. The Bitcoin dominance certainly needs to come up and test this. Eventually it will, maybe in the next couple of days. And if we can get rejected here, maybe that'll be a bearish signal for Bitcoin dominance, which would be really good for Dogecoin and these altcoins. Luke, how are you? Vincent, thank you very much. And we are going up. That is where we are going. It honestly looks like Bitcoin is pretty much performing as the Wyckoff accumulation pattern is. That's pretty strange. Says the accumulation is ready to go. So once Bitcoin breaks 43, it'll be over with for Bitcoin, which is good news. If Bitcoin does play out to this Wyckoff, it's really good because that means we're gonna only go up from here. Roger, thank you very much. I appreciate that. If you guys would show your support, hit that like button for me. If you guys want to get my daily trade alerts for cryptocurrencies, you want to join the Discord, you want to talk to me on the phone so we can build you a portfolio, definitely recommend checking out the Patreon. Is this the end of the bearish cycle? I think so. I'm thinking so, which is really good because it's only the 14th of the month. And if we can start popping off here, July will be a very bullish month for us. And hopefully, you know, with a bunch of good news coming out, I pretty much think that the news stations and all these people have exhausted their fake news, false fears. So not much more fake news can come out. Ethereum is 2,500. It's definitely good to see this. Will Dogecoin surge up as Bitcoin progresses? Absolutely. It will. And can I check out ICP? Yeah, I can definitely check it out. ICP is pretty much just going down. Nothing much else to that. What do I think about SafeMoon? I don't follow SafeMoon. Can I do a quick chart on XLM? Yeah. XLM is in a... We'll have to see what happens. If XLM can bounce up, break this level of resistance, 0.42, and then 0.46, it'll be in a good place. But all these cryptos will be going up. All of these cryptos should be going up here pretty soon. Fix something over here. There we go. Maybe you have to use your if you're from India, maybe you're gonna have to use like PayPal or something to try to get the Patreon. Frank, thank you very much for the support. I appreciate that. Okay, so Dogecoin is nearly 33 cents. Have we broken 33 cents today? Yes, we have. So Dogecoin needs to hit 34 cents. So on the 5-minute, we're forming a bit of a flag, which is appearing to be bullish because the lows are getting higher in this formation. So let's see if we can break this level of resistance here. If we do break this resistance here, the next couple of hours, it'll certainly be good. So that's going to be all for today. I'm probably going to make a couple more videos. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Check out the Patreon if you want to continue talking with me. You can join the Discord through the Patreon as well. And I will see you guys later. Have a great day. Good rest of your day. Let's continue this pump for Dogecoin. And hopefully Dogecoin will be maybe 34, 36, 7 cents today. Let's see.